Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at the Pelsee S3 Touch 4K Dashcam. A compact but feature-loaded front and rear camera system designed for drivers who want premium video quality, advanced safety features, and simple operation. If you've been searching for a modern dash cam with exceptional low-light performance and smart connectivity, this one might be worth your attention. Let's start with the headline feature. The 4K HDR front camera paired with a 1080p rear camera. The moment you hit the road, you can see the difference. The HDR processing adjusts instantly when you move from bright sunlight into tunnels or shaded areas, reducing glare and preserving detail. Colors look true to life, and even fast lighting changes don't wash out the frame. This means license plates, road signs, and objects in motion stay sharp and clear. But what really sets the S3 Touch apart is its upgraded Sony STARVIS 2 sensor combined with Pelsee's Starlit full-color night vision. This isn't your traditional infrared night dash cam where footage looks grainy or monochrome. STARVIS 2 brings over 4 times higher light sensitivity, allowing the camera to pull out detail from extremely dark scenes. Whether you're navigating dim alleys, late-night highways, or a parked car under a single streetlight, the camera captures full-color video with impressive clarity. Using the dash cam feels natural thanks to its 3.39-inch IPS touchscreen. The interface responds quickly, and navigating settings or reviewing clips requires almost no learning curve. The camera also supports hands-free voice control. Simple commands like open recording or lock the video let you interact with the device without taking your hands off the wheel, which is a welcome safety addition. Speaking of safety, the built-in ADAS, or Advanced Driver Assistance System, monitors your surroundings while you drive. It gives alerts for potential collisions with vehicles or pedestrians, warns you of lane departures, and even lets you know when the vehicle ahead starts moving in heavy traffic. These voice alerts add a professional layer of intelligent assistance that helps you stay aware and avoid common driving risks. One of the strongest features for real-world use is the 24/7 parking monitoring system. With a hardwire kit, the dashcam switches into time-lapse mode, compressing long recording periods for low power consumption. If the car gets bumped or scraped, the G sensor triggers instant video locking so the crucial evidence doesn't get overwritten. Pelsee includes a 128GB memory card right in the box, and the camera supports up to 256GB if you want more storage. Connectivity also gets an upgrade with Wi-Fi 6. Using the Pelsee Cam app, previews load quickly and video files transfer at speeds up to 20 megabytes per second. Downloads that usually take minutes on older dash cams can be done in seconds here. Built-in GPS logs your precise location and speed so every recording is paired with accurate driving data. Installation is surprisingly simple. Mount the camera using the included suction cup, run the cables with the pry tool to hide them cleanly, and attach the rear camera. The package includes everything you need: adhesive pads, cable clips, a rear camera cable, a dry wipe, static stickers, and even the memory card. Just remember to charge the dash cam for a few hours before first use to ensure the internal clock keeps the correct time. Overall, the Pelsee S3 Touch brings together high-resolution imaging, advanced night vision, smart safety features, fast wireless performance, and an intuitive touchscreen interface. It manages to feel premium while staying user-friendly, making it a strong option for anyone who wants a reliable dash cam that performs well both day and night. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more real-world breakdowns of the latest tech and gadgets, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next review.